Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download iTunes for Windows from Apple, complete guide step by step clearly. To download iTunes for Windows from Apple, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Apple website. In the search bar, type iTunes for Windows. Press the Enter key to search. Look for the link that says iTunes, Apple. Click on the link to access the iTunes page. Once on the page, find the Download section. Click on the Download button. A new page may appear with terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions before proceeding. If you agree, click the Agree or Download button again. Your download will start automatically. Wait for the download to complete. Navigate to the location where the file has been downloaded. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. If prompted, allow the program to make changes to your device. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. Select your preferred installation options. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. You can now launch iTunes from your desktop or Start menu. Your iTunes is ready for use on your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.